Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create Webassessor account for Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now you will need just to go to your web browser and search for Webassessor, and from here you will need just to go to webassessor.com. Make sure it is this website, you click on it, and basically it will redirect you to this current page. So from here, all you will need to do is just to create a new account, and here you will need just to fill in all this information. And basically, it is the Salesforce, an account for your Salesforce. And basically here you will need just to add a login, so it can be whatever you would like. And here you will add your password, and I'm just going to do like that. And you will need, for example, to re-enter this password given your legal first name, your legal last name, your email addresses, and as you can see, the ones with these stars are the mandatory field. So basically, all these fields are mandatory, and you can add this one, primary phone, you can leave it blank, and the city should be required, and the province states, etc., and postal code, your country, and also the email address associated with your Salesforce account. And basically, you can add your company name, your name as you would like it to appear into your certificates, and of course, your role and your verification, and also your role focuses primarily on which sector. And here you will add the sector of your employment or your work, and then you will need just to click on save, and you will be able to start creating your web assessor account. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.